Remove Capcut Watermark. Easy steps to clean your video. So go ahead and open up your video, your Capcut app, excuse me. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and open up your project. Let's say, for example, this project. Excuse me. Yeah, this project, right? You have more than one method, right? If you saw TikTok logo at the end, right, like this, and you want to delete it, just go ahead and select the part where the Capcut credentials are there, and then just delete it. But if you want to delete the logo of Capcut right here inside the video, click the Capcut logo, and you're gonna see if you want to hide the watermark, you can just go ahead and hit the hidden option, and you're gonna be able to basically remove the Capcut logo from the video, right? But you need to upgrade your Capcut so you can remove the watermark now. So from time to time also there is a free credit, like for each 5 videos you will be able to remove the watermark. So from time to time, if you're lucky, Capcut offers free credit, meaning you can remove the Capcut logo from your video if you use 5 projects or 5 videos, and that way you're gonna be able to edit your video without the headache of the Capcut logo. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.